All right, hello. So we are going to look at the Accelerate Education grade book. So when you go into the grade book, along the very top, you will always see the names of the assignments. So you can actually hover over the name of an assignment and click on the assignment and grade that way. Or when you see a black folder with the little corner folded over here, you can click on that and it'll tell you that the student has completed it and it needs grading. So I'm going to click on that, and hopefully you're not seeing the name of the student right now. And so I would be able to read through this assignment and see what the student submitted. Here in the box, I can provide video feedback, audio feedback. I could actually insert a YouTube video or an image if I wanted to insert an image celebrating the work of the student, whether that would be, like a smiley face or a star or something positive. And then of course I can type right here in the feedback. So I'm going to type in the feedback. I'm going to put their grade. I'm going to say you did a great job. I'm going to remind the student you were very thorough. So I provided the feedback. Now I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to put the grade in. So I'm going to give them full credit. Or if they received like an 80 or something like that, I can just type right here and that's configurable. So I could type an 80 in there if they got an 80. Now you'll notice if they got something lower than a passing grade, the grade will show up in red. And if they got a passing grade or a grade that would be proficient or above, it'll show up in green. If I want to clear the grade, I can simply do that. If I want to excuse the student from an assignment, that's an easy thing to do. I just hit excuse. I want to give a student a retry because I know they could have done better. I can do that by pressing allow retry. And then if I want to override the grade, I can do that by simply clicking here. And then when I'm done, when I have the grade and I've submitted the feedback, I just hit submit score. So it's that simple to grade and accelerate education.